Welcome back to the channel. Agent from Mateo Guns, bringing you guys another video. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I got a new one for you guys. WURKKOS.com reached out to me and sent this to me for a collaboration and review. As you guys know, right now these tactical red lights, all these strobe lights are taking over. I mean, you see them in all type of flavors, sizes, and everywhere around the world. Well, this one happens to be the HD03. This is one that just literally came out in 2025, and it does not come on sale until tomorrow. So you can actually make your order starting tomorrow. I'm gonna roll some clips right here, show you a little bit of it, where we're scrolling up and down on the website. Take a look at it, tell me what you think. I'll be right back. So now that we got that out of the way, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and remove that mat right here. That way you guys can just focus on this and this only. So a little bit about this right here. It says that it's not going to release until July the 2nd. That will be tomorrow. I actually received this item about 2 weeks before it's even released. I just haven't made a video on it until today, July the 1st. Let me tell you, I've already messed with this little light a little bit, and it's tiny, it's rugged, the housing is aluminum, and this thing is pretty damn nice. Let me just gonna give you a little bit of specs on it here on the side of the box. It says that it's 680 lumens, it has 180 meters beam, multicolor RGB lights, and it only weighs 49 grams. It's tiny and it's light, super light. It might look big because of the packaging, but trust me, it's not big at all. It's quite small. So a little bit of it is, it says WURKKOS HD03 clip light, 680 lumens, USB-C rechargeable packet flashlight with spotlight, floodlight, 95 CR RGB lights, magnet inside, buck driver, and waterproof. Now that is a freaking mouthful in this little tiny little thing right here. Now again, WURKKOS.com reached out to me for a collaboration and review. They're not a sponsor. Again, just collaboration and review. With that being said, let me go down and open the box right here and show you what all comes in this little tiny box. Set that to the side. And this is just a little readme card. Nothing fancy. I'm just gonna show you how to turn it on, charge. And here is the item right here. It does come with this 2 lanyard, a smaller one, and a big one, and a bigger one. This is the Type-C rechargeable cable. And here is the tiny little flashlight. I told you it's small. It's not big at all. It's tiny. Really, really small. And again, this whole thing is aluminum. And it's waterproof, guys. Can you believe that? It is waterproof. This little thing, it does a lot. Right now, it said that it's going to be 45% off if you pre-order between July the 2nd and July the 7th, which is a hell of a deal. So if you pre-order it, special price will only be $16.91. That's it. And it does have the ultra bright portable and 8 adjustable modes. Man, this thing is nice. Triple light source design, lightweight and packet size, fast Type-C rechargeable and power indicator, multi-carry options, multi-carry options, durable and give me 1 second, IPX6 waterproof, and it's intuitive control and safety lock. And everything is pretty much right here in these little controls. So let me just go ahead and turn this bad boy on, because again, I was messing with it just a little bit to see what was sent to me in the mail. I gotta be nosy. I gotta find out first before I show you guys. So here is the big old usual manual right here. It comes in multiple languages: Spanish, Chinese, Korean, French, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and look at this user manual right here in plain old English. Right here. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. It's a lot. I'm not going to go through all of that. It's a lot. But after I messed with it just a little bit, I think I got a hang of it just a bit. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I found out on my own while I was tinkering with this flashlight. So first of all, it does have 2 different modes. If you look at this indicator right here, when the thing is up, it's set on spotlight. When it's down, it's set on floodlight. Okay? And this thing does come with a clip right here. And it's also magnetic. So if you happen to be in your car or you have any kind of metal thing around you, you can actually set it on the magnet and it will stay on. It will stay right on it, baby. It will not go anywhere. And this is where you charge it right here. So let's go ahead and turn this baby on and show you what it does. So let me set it on. Right now it's going to be on spotlight. So in spotlight, if you actually press it once, it's going to come on. Okay? If you press it again, off. If you go down and put it on floodlight, press it once, on, off. Now, if I double click it, it's going to go into the blue light. This is part of the RGB lights. While it's set on floodlight. Now, it has to be off, okay? It has to be off in order for the RGBs to work. Because if it's not, it's just gonna, if you turn it on, it's only gonna be those lights. However, if you double click it, it's gonna be brighter. This is the turbo. So it's gonna blind you. This is the turbo light right here. Off, regular, off. Regular, double click turbo, double click it again. So it's just gonna stay on turbo. So if I press it several times, that's the strobe. So 4 clicks is going to go into strobe and the SOS. Oh, I'm sorry. Regular light. Oh, I think that works pretty daggone nice. And the fact that I actually have the light on. So let me go down and turn the light off and see how's that going to be if it's darker. Let me go ahead and refresh the camera, and let me go ahead and close this for now. And here it is. Boom. Look how bright that is. Keep in mind, it's still daylight. I'm actually in my room with the door closed. So I'm going to turn it on again. Double click for turbo. I'm sorry, that's strobe. Turbo. Look at that. That thing is bright. It's literally blinding me right now. That strobe and SOS. Regular, off. So now while I have it off, now I'm going to show you some of the RGB lights. That's blue. I'm sorry, hold on. That's blue. Double click. Now it's going to go into blinking blue. Double click. Now it's red, blue. So it's going to alternate through them two lights, which I think is nice. So I'm going to turn that up, leave it on. Now I'm going to click it again. I'm going to press it down. I'm going to press it down again. So I'm holding the button down. And that's going to alternate to different lights right here. If I let go, it's going to stay only on blue. It's not really going to show that good because it's so damn bright. But that's blue. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn the light back on. Because those lights were blinding the hell out of me. I see little specks of lights right on my damn eyes right now. Anyway, so as I was saying, this little thing is a clip-on. So you could actually clip it on your backpack, on any kind of surface that you can clip that on. You could clip it anywhere. Clip it on anything. It doesn't matter. If you ride on your bike, you can clip it on your bicycle, your backpack, your helmet, a strap. If I got my 945 industry backpack, concealed carry bag on me, I clip it to that. So 680 lumens may not seem like a lot to you, but in pitch black, that's bright. That's really freaking bright. So again, ladies and gentlemen, it goes on sale on pre-order starting tomorrow, July the 2nd for $16.95. That it will be a 45% discount. 45% discount, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot beat that. Now again, that will be on WURKKOS.com. I'm going to have the link on the video description. That way you guys will be able to see everything on there. And they don't just have this one. They have many other flashlights. This is actually the latest one that came out recently. Again, I've had this now for going on 2 weeks. And just today, I'm actually doing the unboxing and showing you guys what this beautiful little tiny little thing can do. And look at this. That's the size of my pinky finger, pretty much. That's tiny. This is my ring finger. Look at that. That is real small. Middle finger. Index. Thumb. More like the size of my thumb. Look at that. That's tiny. That's really freaking small, and yet it's so damn powerful. It is, and very lightweight. 49 grams. That's all you will get. Now I'm trying to look at some specs on my computer as we speak. Some more information to make sure that I did not forget anything. And the height is 28 by dimensions. I'm sorry, is 28 by 25.2 by 60 millimeters. And again, as I stated, 180 meters beam distance, 3-in-1. You get spotlight, floodlight, and RGB lights, 8 adjustable brightness levels. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, you can also clip it on your phone. So if you're talking to somebody on FaceTime or you're doing any kind of video calling, you could clip it on your phone just like that, and you will be able to speak to someone and use it. Let me go ahead and get one of my iPhones, and I'll be able to show you what I am talking about. This is one of my old iPhones right here. So say you're talking to somebody, you clip it right here, and you'll be able to shine the light on you, and that will pretty much make the camera look even better. So ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it for the HD03 mini tactical flashlight from WURKKOS.com. I'm going to put the link in the video description. I'm going to put all the info you got there, and I might have a discount code for you, and you'll be able to get a discount as well, promo code. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to have to get more information for you on that. Linear loop for free. Yeah, dual switch memory shift. I mean, this thing is not 36 hours on moonlight. Fully charge time an hour and 20 minutes. And it said that it also has the overheat protection for longer battery life. This thing is nice, and I think it's made pretty doggone sweet. So again, that's pretty much what I got for you on this video. Make sure you go ahead and check the information, the website on the video description. I'm going to drop the link on there. Check it out. Let me know what you think. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Like the video, share the video, comment and let me know what you think about this WURKKOS HD03 mini tactical flashlight. Go ahead and get yourself one. And if you are one of my subscribers, if you get one, make sure you go ahead and come back here and let me know how you like it. Or if you don't, I'm just going to put this little lanyard on here and show you what that's going to look like. Here it is. Right here. This little clip-on one right here. Pretty nice. And I also have another one right here. Actually, this one goes in the loop, which I think I did it wrong. Give me 1 second. Let me take that off. That's why it's good to read the idiot book, aka the manual, and it will let you know how to work things instead of you trying to wing it on your own. So you're actually going to need to loop this through here. Come on, Adrian. Not that hard, sir. You loop it, you swoop it, and you pull it. Now you clip it. Boom. Here it is. That's how you do it. Well, you could do it the other way as well, but it's not going to move as free as it is right now. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if I did not mention that already. Like the video, share the video, comment below and let me know what you think about this tiny tactical flashlight. And make sure that you click on the bell notification guide, that way you never miss any single one of my videos. With that being said, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys later. Go ahead and get you one, or at least check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Good night, y'all.